This video, I'll show you how to do a repair on a new leak as well as a existing leak. So first of all, you go ahead and create your leaker. Once you get your leak in, log the reading. And once you do that, you can come in here and put in a condition. Once you find the leak, it's going to ask you where it's leaking. You can take your wrench out of your back pocket, tighten up. While you're there, this is like doing first attempts. And go ahead and do done here. And you're going to go back to that component. And you're going to put in your passing reading, whatever it is. Click on this. Maybe you got it down to about an 8. So that work request, when this leak goes into SkyBridge, not only will it create the work request, but it will close it as well. So that's and if you want to just go back, maybe say this one here, you've already created a leaker on it, but you want to go back to it and create. So we'll leave it here. So we'll make another leak, and this just shows you if you just leave it, valve body leaking, done, and then we'll come back later. So you go in monitoring, the maintenance personnel calls you and says, hey, we got the leak fixed. Come and check it out and make sure it's not leaking anymore. So you come over here, click on the leak, find it, and then in this area right here, you're going to click here, put the repair in. Then you're going to click on the line item here where the leak is, and then you're going to put the repair in, and hit done. And then you can put your retest in right here. Retest it, and got it down to 8. Okay. All right, so that's existing. I mean, that's leaks that was newly found during the first attempt, and there's a leak that you was called after you found the leak to come and do the testing of a repair. The other one is on the existing leaks. You notice over here, all your leakers are sent down to the handheld. It's called an open leach route. So if I go here, there's the open leach route here. Click on it, and anytime I double click on it here to the left, want to put in a repair, then I would come up here to this WR link, and then I can put the repair in here. The repair, I just got to put who repaired it, and then add that, and that's the information we just added here. The date, who did it, and what they did to repair it, and then you close this out. And then go ahead and do your retest on it if you need to. So this one will be uploaded. It's the existing leak that you sent down to the handheld, but when you upload it, since you have the repair method and passing reading, it will close the work request up. Hopefully this helped.